Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on OPPO A6x. Okay, so we need to launch our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now click on the settings. Now scroll down, find chats, scroll down and click on chat backup. Let's begin with Google account. In here, as you take a look, currently in my case this Google account is selected. Actually, you have to select Google account because without it we won't be able to create a backup. If your account doesn't pop out in this window, you can always click on add and then sign in into your Google account. And it is really important that you cannot forget your Google account, because if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the exact same Google account that you have selected during the backup process. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case I selected the monthly mode, which means that the backup will be made each month and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty comfortable and convenient thing. So if you want, you can pick the mode between those available on the screen. I'll stick to the monthly. Let's also include the videos in our backup. Just turn it on right in here. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on. It's an extra security feature. If you turn it on, you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats, but be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore anything and everything will be lost. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget the password. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary. Also make sure that you have some free Google storage space. And to create a backup, hit this green button. Okay, and that's all. The backup has been successfully created. In my case, it took like 5 seconds because I don't have many messages. In your case, it might take longer. As we take a look on the last backup, we can see the hour, we can compare, so it means that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.